The game the fans have been waiting impatiently for. Now it's almost here, and both teams know they had better be ready as soon as the referee's whistle sounds. A fabulous prospect. That's what we have in store for you here on EA TV. Stay with us for live coverage every kick of the ball. Hello everyone, the heavens opened earlier and the rain shows no inclination to stop. We're looking forward to the game anyway. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray at the microphone, and sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It's Brentford taking on Manchester United.
Thanks, Derek. Well, this should be a decent game today. Both managers will have a game plan, both teams have a certain style of play, and both sides will want to start quickly. I'm looking forward to this.
Well, here's how the lineup looks for Brentford.
Well, it's great to see them playing with the front two, but for it to work, they need to have a good understanding. They need to link up with each other and provide a different set of skills.
This is the team Manchester United will go with. Andre Onana is the goalkeeper. Grimaldo starts with Joao Cancelo in the fullback positions. And the centrepiece of the attack is Marcus Rashford. And so the match is underway. Rashford. Well, a classic example of how to intercept. Christian Nørgaard. And Brentford losing possession. It's going to be United's free kick. Into the box it goes. Well, they kept their shape defensively. Job done for now. Tomic. Josip Stanisic. Here's Nørgaard. Committed challenge. Well, you never quite know who's going to dominate a game in advance, but I think you can maybe make an argument for this fellow, Stuart. What do you think we'll see from him today?
Well, how can you stop him? If you get too tight, he'll use the space behind you, drop off, and he'll turn and run at you. Add that to his movement in the box, and you can see why he scored so many goals.
Foul there. Free kick awarded. Christian Nørgaard. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Marcus Rashford. Henry. Could play it in. It looks promising. And a very good challenge. And in with a real chance. And there it is, the breakthrough. That will do nicely.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Cunha. This could be troublesome. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Short corner favoured. Cunha. And it's gone out of play. Goal kick coming up. Grimaldo. Todibo. It's with João Cancelo. Swift ball into the area. Well, nothing untoward happened. Seemed to just lose control of the situation. He's conceded a corner. Over it comes. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter-attack. Well, they have to pay attention. And he's through here. Oh, that is a superb save. An alert piece of defending. Well, that'll be a free kick. Don't forget about the fourth round of the Carabao Cup live coverage here on EA TV. It's Brentford facing Manchester City.
Well, we're down to the last 16 now, so plenty to play for in that game, in what will be a tough encounter.
Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Well, it wasn't first-class distribution. Tomic. Lot to like about that pass. And defensive play to be applauded. Well, not hard to read that pass. Dangerous looking attack. It comes to absolutely nothing. Accurate ball in towards the near post. Well, the keeper wasn't fooled by it at all in actual fact. United could get in behind the defence. Doing well to win it back. What can they do from here? And firing it to the near post. Not messing around with that clearance. Crossed into the penalty area. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Wonderfully weighted pass. Well, he might be expelled from the game. And in the refereeing trade, they call it dogzo, denial of a goal-scoring opportunity.
Well, the referee's got that right. He saved a possible goal there, but at a cost.
And a goal, almost bewitching in its beauty. Excellent technique.
Well, this has everything. As you can see, it goes over the wall, starts outside the post, and then comes back in. What a strike that is.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Bruno Fernandes has it. Good ball over the top. Plenty of support here. Well, breaking at pace is always a possibility. Tomic. Good tackle. Well read to win possession back. Matheus Cunha. And that's an important intervention. Good distribution. Well, unable to bend his run offside. Released it nicely. Henry. Chance to cross. And drawing it back. What a vital intervention. And foul it is then. Cunha. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Stanisic. Has the strength to hang on to it. Oh, he's given the ball away. Henry. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Matheus Cunha. Opportunity here. Oh, fine stop. Now sending it in. No degree of difficulty at all for the keeper. Well, dealt with that ball comfortably. And the decision offside here. Well, that one has promise. And a quick reminder, we'll have action from the fourth round of the Carabao Cup here on EA TV. It's Manchester United taking on Stoke City.
Well, only 16 teams left, so that game will be fiercely competitive. Really looking forward to it.
Oh, he's lost possession of the ball. Can he put them in front? Oh, not to be! Stopping a certain goal. And it wasn't really the ideal pass. It'll be a throw. Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. Now, who can he play it to? There to win it back. And options in the centre. And under pressure, not on the target. Rashford. Rashford! Oh, and in! This is a remarkable turnaround. Down to 10, but now in the lead. Who saw that coming?
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. But he's still got so much work to do. Just look at the strength he shows to hold off the defender and still get his shot away. That's a really good finish.
So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the scoreline. Stanisic. Plenty of support here. He's using his strength to good effect. No space for them here. But they dealt with the threat posed. Mateus Cunha. Feeding it through. This could square the game, and that's exactly what has transpired. Now, that could be a massive turning point, and momentum is with them.
Well, here it is again. And I don't think it's good enough from the goalkeeper. You have to say that. He spilled it right into the danger zone, and at this level, you're always going to be punished.
And it's level again here. Both sets of fans being put through something of an emotional mangle. And that is going to be a free kick. Aware of the threat, solving the problem.
Well, they've been frustrated for quite a while now, but these fans have suddenly come to life.
Played over. Well, to be blunt, misfiring with the header. Stanisic. Mateus Cunha. Just have to make sure they don't get caught on the counter-attack. Well, alas, the finish didn't match the build-up.
Well, you're absolutely right. Not the finish they were hoping for, but an excellent counter-attack. They really do break forward quickly.
Christian Nørgaard. Veljko Birmancevic. Cunha. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Can he convert? And the keeper making sure that was pushed well away from danger. And teammates around him. And they have possession again. Well, it was. He's in here. Oh, magical piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he's just pulled off a great save there. Such good reactions. It really is.
Going short. Oh, moving it nicely. Well, cleared away, but at the expense of a corner. Playing it in and clearing his lines. Trying to chisel a chance out of it. Well, an opportunity here for them to get their noses in front from the corner. And there's the delivery. Not the most confident clearance. Well, they can't quite take advantage in the end.
Well, the hosts have completely bossed the game in the last 15 minutes. But if there is to be a winner in this, you sense it's starting to become a matter of now or never. Not going to get too many more chances now.
Oh, wait a minute. They could well be in. It's gone in! And, well, he might celebrate on the back of that.
Well, here's the replay, and it has been coming. They've played some great football in this game, and they fully deserve this goal. Well, that reaction says it all. That's such... an important goal in this game.
And United will switch things around personnel-wise. Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. And unable to hang on to the ball. That's good pressing for you. Well, through it goes, but that's not going to trouble the defenders. Mateus Cunha. Wasteful there from Brentford. Oh, nice ball. Manchester United battling the clock and the scoreline. And he's through here. It could be up for grabs. A defensive resilience there.
Well, time running out for United. You felt that had to go in. Not much hope for them now.
Well, attacks are plenty, but now defensive resilience is what's called for. And he saw the situation developing. Decent position this for United to find themselves in. And a useful cross. Oh, and there's the goal they were looking for. They're doing this the hard way. Down as they are to 10. So the ball rolling again at 3-3. And so into the final 5 minutes. Josip Stanisic. Mateus Cunha. Tension building, still level. Gives it a go. And did just enough defensively.
Well, the atmosphere is so tense inside this stadium, but can they find that moment of magic to win this game? The crowd certainly think so. Just listen to them.
Henry. Mateus Cunha. Well, possibilities in the centre. Oh, wait, don't go anywhere. We're going to have 5 additional minutes. Jeremy Frimpong. And sloppy in possession from Brentford. Mateus Cunha. And a goal at this stage might well turn out to be decisive. Could be! Oh, a magnificent save to keep it even!
Well, that has just about kept his team in it here. That's a remarkable save from that sort of distance.
Can someone get on the end of this? Oh, they've done it! They forged ahead, and it might be the goal that gives them victory.
Well, here's the replay. It's certainly a well-delivered ball into the area, and he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is.
Brentford goal!
For full time, and here's the big story. No points at all for Manchester United.
Well, Derek, not quite good enough today. Yes, they only lost by 1 goal, but I never felt they were in control of the game. A frustrating day all round for the coach to think about for the next time.
And so the match is underway. And in with a real chance. And there it is, the breakthrough. That will do nicely. This could be trouble. Cunha. This could be trouble. And a goal, almost bewitching in its beauty. Excellent technique. Opportunity. And options in the centre. Rashford. Rashford! This could square the game. And that's exactly what has transpired. Now, that could be a... Played over. What? Well, it was a foul, but good use of advantage by the referee. He's in here. Oh, magical piece of goalkeeping.
Well, he's just pulled off a great save.
Oh, wait a minute. They could well be in. It's gone in. And, well, he might celebrate on the back of that. And a useful cross. Oh, and there's the goal they were looking for. They're doing this the hard way. Down as they are to 10. Can someone get on the end of this? Oh, they've done it! They forged ahead, and it might be the goal that gives them victory. And so the match is and a decent... Well... And in with a real chance. And there it is, the breakthrough. That will do nicely. Might be expelled from the game. And in the refereeing trade, they call it dogzo, denial of a goal-scoring opportunity.
Well, the referee's got that right. He saved a possible goal there, but at a cost.
Well, he might be expelled from the game. And a goal, almost bewitching in its beauty. Excellent technique. Rashford. Rashford! Oh, and in! This is a remarkable turnaround. Down to 10, but now in the lead. Who saw that coming? Oh, wait a minute. They could well be in. It's gone in! And, well, he might celebrate on the back of that. Decent position this for United to find themselves in. And a useful cross. Oh, and there's the goal they were looking for. They're doing this the hard way. Down as they are to 10. Decent position this. And a goal. Can someone get on the end of this? Oh, they've done it! They forged ahead, and it might be the goal that gives them victory.